In the last video, we built our very first React app and got that classic hello world on the screen. But today we're taking a big step forward. Ever wondered what JSX actually is and why it looks like HTML inside JavaScript? You're about to find out. We'll also create our very first component, the real building blocks of any React app. It's time to go beyond the basics and write cleaner, more structured code. So what is JSX? JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It's a syntax extension that lets us write HTML-like code directly inside our JavaScript. But under the hood, it's just syntactic sugar for React Create element, meaning JSX gets compiled into regular JavaScript that the browser understands. With JSX, you can describe what the UI should look like in a way that feels super familiar if you've written HTML before. It also helps catch errors early and improves readability. Just remember, JSX must return a single parent element. Let's see how it works in action by building a real component next. Now let's create our very first React component. First, inside the SRC folder, create a new folder called Components. Then inside it, create a file named header.tsx. This file will contain a functional component, which is just a plain JavaScript function that returns JSX. The key rule here is that component names must start with a capital letter. That's how React knows it's a component and not a regular HTML tag. Then use it like an HTML tag. React will render whatever JSX is returned from the header function. Components are reusable, meaning you can use anywhere in your app. And that's the real magic of React, building UIs by composing components together. In the next video, we will add styles to our components. If you're enjoying this series, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.